Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and this time we are with the fourth video. I think it is the fourth of the Whirlpool Xpert. In this case it is manual test, how to enter technical mode and manual test. I put the technical mode so that you do not have to be looking for the other video, but from this one you see it. There are two ways you know to look for the one that does not have a selection. Turn one to the left, return right, 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 left and right. If that one does not let you enter, you have to do it the other way, which is the same but all the turn on the counterclockwise. We're going to do it all the way around. We reset, right, 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 left, right. As you can see, we could already enter then when you know that we already entered because it's already flashing. You know the first one, such a thing. The second, manual test. I say automatic test, and the third one is not. When you turn on these two LEDs it is manual test. Well, there we enter manual test. When we turn right and click, it will activate either bulbs, drainage pumps or something else. When we click it again, it will activate us either a little washing, a little spinning. They are not defined, so you are going to play to see what it gives you. The next click, for example, when it appears like this blinking, is that it does not have anything selected there, or that it may be damaged, but there it is. Where you realize that I do everything, that the actuator enters, that the hot water bulbs enter, cold water, the door lock, the drainage pump, then you have to go setting one by one and you must activate them all. Remember that there are two channels in the description, would help me a lot if you subscribe to them, because it motivates me to continue making content that can help you. If you also have any doubts or any questions or whatever, a comment, then you can put it and without problem I will answer it. I always answer, maybe it takes a little bit taken, but I respond. Look here, we can see. This is where you see the most, for example the lid lock, that here I am testing it. We give it one click, it activates. We give it another click, it deactivates. If you can see, this is where you notice when doing that also the drain pump is going to enter another stage. The bulbs are going to enter. There they are going to realize everything. If they see that something does not sound, for example that the cover lock did not sound, then they have to remove it and check it. Or if they see that the bulbs of drainage do not enter, I say the filling solenoid valves do not enter too, or the drain will also be done at each stage. It is not complicated, it is quite easy, but it is very useful. In case you do not know how to test the parts, then from here you can go them checking one by one, without the need to be disarming, and that will help you a lot. To turn off, we only put it on any that does not have selection, and we leave the start button pressed, and it should be turned off in a few seconds. You can also leave it and by itself it goes out by itself in a technical way. Remember to subscribe, support me in the channel. The channels are in the description, and see you until next time.